Hello, so today I've got the new Clinique, even better clinical Radical Dark Spot Corrector and Interrupter. It's a newer product from Clinique. It comes in two different sizes. I picked the smaller size naturally because it was cheaper. But anyway, so I thought I would let you guys know my thoughts on it. So packaging, love the packaging, and I love how pretty it is. I don't know, even if it was full of just pure fragrance and alcohol, I'd probably buy it for my countertop because it's shiny. Anyway, I'm addicted to things like that. So, packaging's okay. No fragrance, no denatured alcohol, which is a good thing. It's made in the U.S., so no issues with that at all. Ease of use. So, Clinique recommends using this morning and evening, and then in place of your normal traditional serum. Has a nice light texture to it. So, it's kind of got a gel texture, which is nice. So it layers well with other products, works well under moisturizer, works well over other lighter serums. And if you know any of my other videos, I use tons of layers, and this one fits in pretty well in terms of that. So, although I will say if you use a traditional exfoliating product in your routine already, just be a little bit cautious of this one because it contains salicylic acid and other exfoliating ingredients, so it potentially could be a bit too much just depending on what else you use in your routine. So just play around with it. Definitely do a patch test. So very easy to use. In terms of the beneficial ingredients of this one, we've got a lot. So the first several ingredients on the list are all slip ingredients such as water, butylene glycol, dimethicone, things that are just there for hydration but don't really offer much benefit. But after that, we've got some really good ingredients. So we've got Ascorbyl Glucoside, which is a stable form of vitamin C, which is known to help with brightness and skin texture. Then we've got Morus, Bombycis root, which is mulberry root. I don't know why they couldn't just put that on there, but mulberry root is a great antioxidant, helps with skin brightness. Then we've got Chinese skullcap root, which is a good antioxidant. Green tea extract, another good antioxidant. Cucumber extract, we've got a Saccharomyces ferment in there. Barley, that shows up in almost every Clinique product. Salicylic acid, cholesterol, rice bran extract, squalane, and then acetylglucosamine, which is kind of an Estee Lauder type product ingredient, I think. It's a skin replenishing, hydrating ingredient that also helps exfoliate skin. It's also in a lot of Neutrogena products. The new line from Neutrogena that they just came out with, that one is kind of the star of the show for that one. So we've got sodium hyaluronic, caffeine, that's also in like every Clinique product. I'm not sure what the story is, but it's in everything. Then we've got Trametes versicolor extract, which is also known as turkey tail mushroom, which is an antioxidant. I've not ever seen that in anything, but it's supposedly a good antioxidant and also can help with skin brightness. Then we've got glycyrrhenic acid, which is a soothing component from licorice root extract, which makes sense because the word looks identical to licorice root extract. It's said to have skin soothing and skin calming benefits, and recent studies are confirming that, so that's good to see in there. Then we've got dimethicone propylresorcinol, which is, I think I pronounced the second word right, which is an ingredient also said to help with skin brightening and also help fade pigmentation issues. So they've done a good job. If this is supposed to help brighten skin, they've included a variety of good ingredients to help brighten skin. So they did a good job with that. In terms of animal testing, Clinique is not cruelty-free. Thankfully, they won't be testing on Ike because Ike would probably eat them all alive. Okay, in terms of performance, I found it has helped with skin brightness. Also helps a little bit with exfoliation, which was nice to see. I do, like I said earlier, recommend just being cautious if you use this in your routine with other vitamin C products or other exfoliants, just because it contains a little bit of both of those, so it could be too much. So just do a patch test and be cautious with it. But it does, excuse me, it does a good job hydrating skin as well as helping with brightness. There are several ingredients for acne-prone skin to be cautious of, such as dimethicone, Cyclopentasiloxane, squalane, polysorbate 20, which is a fungal acne trigger, and hexylene glycol. And then in terms of the price, so I got the 1 ounce size, which was $52, but I think I got it at Ulta when it was 20% off. So something to consider. They have a bigger size too, which is also more expensive, but if you're liking it, might be something to consider. And then in terms of the it factor, contains a nice variety of skin brightening ingredients and several newer brightening ingredients that are just getting more attention recently. Does a great job hydrating skin, denatured alcohol and fragrance free, which is nice, a little pricey, but a good option for those looking to brighten skin or treat hyperpigmentation issues. So I gave this one an 8 out of 10, and it's a little bit unfortunate if Clinique changed, or I should say almost Estee Lauder, if they changed some of their animal cruelty policies. They could have potential some 10 out of 10 products, but they're never going to get that until they change that. So anyway, 8 out of 10 is a B, so I'd say this deserves a B. And if they change the animal testing policies, it might get an A. So anyway, I'm interested in hearing from you guys if you've had a chance to check this out or not, or if you've liked some of their other products similar to this. I think some of them are being discontinued, it looks like, because I'm always seeing them on sale. So I'm thinking this is their new star of their show, which probably deserves the attention. So anyway, leave a comment. I love hearing from you guys, and stay tuned for more tomorrow. And thank you guys so much.